tropical fish swims towards the surface of the water here. And okay, hello again. Another great day of creation here, folks. We got this hashtag fish. That's right, that's the main theme of today for all my Korean brothers and sisters out there. Mukuri is what this hashtag says. So here we are. Let's give ourselves a time limit before we get started, folks. I thought 7 minutes from yesterday's episode was kind of short. That was really short. But today, let's say 8 minutes. Okay, here we are. So 7:58. Here we go. I thought a little, what is this? Coastal watercolor would be a good place to start. What do you say? Coastal waters. Yep, little bit of that, and then we can just go from there. Let's see. Let's go this way like that. Yeah, like that. There you go. Nothing to it really. Just maybe a little bit of curve action as we ease into this process of creation here. Here we go. And there you go. And let's see. And here you go, here. And let's switch this around this way. Oops, sorry. Always lift this part of it up as you see. If you go down, it gets caught a little bit. But minor details here. Here we are. So, oops, sorry. Let's just there you go. Maybe if I talk a little bit less, maybe I can do this a little bit faster, but that's okay. It's okay. Here we are. Little curve action, like I said. There you go. And maybe a little bit of gray color here, folks. Oops. There you go. Sorry, that wasn't me. That was just that was this guy right here. I swear. So here we are. Okay, so we. And then spreading out this way makes for a nice combination of neutral home decor color here, folks. Spreading out this way and that way. Yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well on this Friday episode of Joy of Painting here. Oops, sorry, that's from Bob Ross. Joy of Creation here, folks. Where we stand. Okay, I believe I might need some more white here. There you go. There you go. And maybe, there you go. I'll do that later. There you go. Colors. Spreading out, as you can see. There you go. Let's see where it goes. Where this goes, right here. There you go. Okay. Maybe a little bit more of this awesome color here. Spread them out. There you go. Should be able to see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. Certain camera angle here. Go. Kind of like this Jackson Pollock action there. Leave it right there, I guess, for us. All right. Oops. Sorry. Little accident. I hope that thing is not. It's okay. Well, I'll just leave it at that for now. So how are we doing so far? So 4 minutes already. Oh, sheesh. I better get started here, folks, with the black color here. Oops. Oh boy, I meant to do that. Little happy accident. Oh no, not so happy. Sorry. You are. So what I'm gonna do is a little fish action. So little fish. There you go. Little tiny fish here. Tropical fish is what I was envisioning as we before I was started this process here. So let's see. It doesn't have to be any specific kind here, but here you go. Just to kind of give a basic outline here, folks. Oops, sorry. There you go. As it swims towards the surface of the ocean here. There you go. So that's about right? Yeah, there you go. That's again, you know, like I said, it doesn't really have to be perfect here. And before we continue, let's just wipe this down for now, folks. All right. And oh, I'm wasting a lot of time here. We are 2 minutes into this. Okay, so this black fish, just kind of black outline here. Here you go, just kind of, yep, just creating it. And then right here maybe, like that. There you go. That's all I'm doing here. Just, and then maybe a little Jackson Pollock action right here. See that within the outline. I just thought of it right now. See, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Just thought of it like that. All right, and then we come back to this. Oops, sorry. A little bit up might be a good idea right here. And then just go. Ooh. Come on, work with me. There you go. Work with me, gold. It doesn't hurt to have a little bit of gold, of course. So gold action here. There you go. Yeah, kind of like that. Something quick and easy here, folks. And 1 minute. Ooh, look at that. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Okay, so we already got something really nice thing going here. So you can just leave this as it is, or for an extra credit, get a tip of this palette knife and just go, ooh. Yeah, you see what I'm doing here? Little curvature, mixture. Help these two colors to mingle and dance together in a perfect harmony, I hope. Perfect harmony here, folks, is what I'm looking for. It's really tough whenever you put the time limit and try to do this. You just have to think fast. Sometimes it works, and other times it doesn't, but here we are. Here we are. It really helps to kind of try to get the best out of you. And to suggest certain movement, I'm just going to do this. You don't have to, but I feel like it's warranted for this piece. As this tropical fish tries to swim towards the surface of the ocean in search of what? Maybe food, a mate, maybe it's something else. But 8 seconds to go. Here we are. So within this short period of time, I created this home decor piece. So that's our time here. That was the limit. Let me just stop that right now. There you go. So hey, within 8 minutes, this wonderful piece. And after that, let me show you something a little extra for those who want to overachieve something. Let me get something extra on top of this and kind of show you and end this wonderful creation process for today. Okay, so here we are. I've added some orange and more white, as you can see here, to suggest a little bubble action in the water, ocean, as this tropical fish swims towards the surface of the water here. And I've added some more white within the fish itself, and more of these scraping action with my palette knife. But this is you don't have to do this. Something extra for those of you who are a little bit more daring and want to do something a little bit more perhaps advanced. But overall, I think this is a great piece, and I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did, and I hope to see you guys soon for another great day of creation. Have a wonderful day.